Mm. It's something, do you know what, I'd never heard of really until last year. People were going about your personal brand, and
Yeah,
okay, I need a personal brand, but I guess I have one. But I guess we all have one.
yeah.
But you're obviously talking about refining that, aren't you?
Yeah, so I think, yeah, you're exactly right. I think a personal brand has traditionally been associated with someone who is in a very senior leadership role, perhaps a CEO or a board member, and has to be the face of the company. Or at the other end of the spectrum, it could be associated with influencers and people that are sort of really plugging themselves online. And I think personal branding has really come into its own, particularly in the last 12 months, with the way we've changed our work and personal lives to everything being digital first.
Mm.
So personal branding has never been more important than it is today, and it's something that you can take control of, and you can invest time in, and with a few simple tools and techniques, you can build a very, very powerful personal brand that will help you in lots of ways. Whether it's professionally, to get a new job if you're a graduate, leaving university and you're trying to look for your first job, whether you're an entrepreneur and you're trying to start up your own business and get things up and running from that perspective, or you may be working for a company or a corporate, and you're just looking to improve the opportunities that you have access to and perhaps get a promotion or a salary increase or things like that. So it really is important, no matter what stage of the work life cycle you're at. It's definitely a good time to be investing in your personal brand.